If you manage a website or handle web files regularly, you've probably heard of SFTP and SSH keys. But do you really know how they work or why they're essential for keeping your site secure? In today's video, I'll explain what SFTP and SSH keys are, why they're much safer than traditional password logins, and how you can easily create and use them right inside your cPanel, especially if you're hosting your website with Verpex. By the end, you'll not only understand these tools, but also have a more secure connection to your site. So let's dive right in. What is SFTP? Let's start with the basics. SFTP stands for Secure File Transfer Protocol. It's a secure way to upload, download, or manage files on your web server. Unlike regular FTP, which transfers data in plain text, SFTP encrypts everything, meaning your credentials and files are protected while being transferred over the internet. Think of it like sending a message in a locked box instead of a postcard. Nobody can peek inside or steal your information. SFTP uses encryption for better security, prevents password leaks or data interception, allows safer management of your site files, and the best part? Verpex Hosting fully supports SFTP out of the box. So if you're hosting with Verpex, you already have this security advantage available. What are SSH keys? Now let's talk about SSH keys, the magic behind SFTP security. SSH stands for Secure Shell, a protocol that allows secure access to your server. Instead of using a password to log in, you use a pair of cryptographic keys, a public key and a private key. Here's how it works. The public key stays on your server, for example, inside your Verpex account or cPanel. The private key stays on your computer. When you connect via SFTP or SSH, your computer proves its identity using this key pair. No password required. This means no passwords to steal or guess. No brute force login attempts. Faster, safer logins. SSH keys give you a higher level of security than using regular username and password combinations. Benefits of using SSH keys and SFTP: 1. Enhanced security. Your data and credentials are encrypted end-to-end. 2. Convenience. Once set up, you don't have to type your password every time you connect. 3. Protection against attacks. Stops brute force and sniffing attacks completely. 4. Professional control. Ideal for developers or site owners who manage multiple servers. If you host with Verpex, you already have access to all these features through cPanel, and you can set up SSH keys in just a few clicks, which brings us to the next part. How to create SSH keys in cPanel. Alright, let's jump into the step-by-step tutorial. Here's how you can create SSH keys in cPanel, which Verpex uses on most hosting plans. Step 1. Log into cPanel. Go to your Verpex client area, open your hosting account, and click Login to cPanel. Step 2. Find the SSH access tool. Once inside cPanel, scroll down to the Security section and click SSH Access. Step 3. Manage SSH keys. Click on Manage SSH keys. This is where you'll generate a new key pair. Step 4. Generate a new key. Select Generate a new key. Enter a key name or leave the default. Choose a strong passphrase. Optional but recommended. Key type, RSA is great for general use. Key size, 2048 or 4096 bits. The larger, the stronger. Then click Generate Key. Step 5. Authorize the key. After generating, you'll see your key listed. Click Manage and then Authorize. This allows the key to access your account securely. Step 6. Download the private key. Finally, download your private key and store it safely on your computer. Never share this file with anyone. It's like your digital fingerprint. That's it. You've created and authorized your SSH key in cPanel. How to connect using SFTP. Now that your key is ready, let's connect securely using an SFTP client like FileZilla or WinSCP. In FileZilla, go to File, Site Manager, New Site. Then select SFTP, SSH, File Transfer Protocol as the protocol. Enter. Host, yourdomain.com or the server. IP, port 22. Logon. Type, key file. Username, your cPanel username. Key file, browse to your private key file that you downloaded earlier. Then hit connect and boom, you're securely connected to your website using SSH authentication. No password, no risk, just clean encrypted access. Now, one of the reasons I recommend Verpex hosting for this setup is how simple they make security management. Verpex's cPanel hosting includes built-in SSH access, free SSL certificates, SFTP support on all plans, daily automated backups. So if you're serious about website security, performance, and easy management, Verpex is the way to go. All right, let's wrap it up. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more web tutorials and hosting tips from Verpex. Thanks for watching.